Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your video into your YouTube channel. You can upload it from your phones, laptops or any other gadget which you use during uploading videos to your channel. So let's start. First open your YouTube channel and then open YouTube Studio and then click on create. Once you click on create, then upload video which you want to upload on your channel. So I can choose this my video. Now you can add title. All these things I get it from the ChatGPT. I give command to it and that's why I can get keywords based title. I can copy title and can paste on there. Now you can see 94 letters are eligible on there. Next thing is to add description. Now I can copy the description and paste on my video description. Now this can be shown like this. Next thing which I want to add is the hashtags. Hashtags I always get it from Rapid Tags website. Now you can enter your video title on there and click on search. Once you click on search, many types of hashtags available on there. Now I can copy it and paste on there. Now I can upload thumbnail of my video. Thumbnail must be attractive, eye-catchy. I can upload it. Now you can add playlist which is related to this video. So I can add 2 playlists on there. Next, age restriction. No, it's not made for kids. Alter content. If you use AI, then click on yes. If not, then no. Now I can tags. I again copy tags from Rapid Tags website and paste on there. Now its limit is high. It should be 500 words. So I can remove, which I don't like to add it. So I can remove it. Now you can see it's 497. Next is the recording date. I can add recording date and video location. After that, I can select category and type. So title is correct, description is correct, tags, hashtags, everything I added on this video. Nothing I can skip on there. Now I can click on next and add subtitles. I also write subtitles from ChatGPT. I copy from there. I copied it. And paste on there. I write all my script, paste on there. Now it's sync automatically. Click on done. Now I can add end screens which can be shown before 5 seconds when my video ends. So I can choose this. I can add specific videos on there which are popular and very related to this video. So I can add the link of this video on there. Next I add playlist which is related to this video, and so you can see how I can add it. 2 things I can add. Third, I want to add a video. Is this. And fourth, I want subscribe button. Now I can less their time limit and click on save. After that, I can click on add cards. Various types of ads we can add on there which can be shown on the right corner of our video. So I can click on save button, click on next, and now I choose unlisted because I every time choose schedule. Video takes 15 to 20 minutes during processing, and now I click on publish. Now you can see my video is on schedule. Thanks for watching.